All right, welcome back. So I do have some stuff already highlighted for us. It says Market Street Pizza kept a record of pizza sales for the month of February. The results are shown in the table below. Now, I added all of these up, and it's going to equal 1,000. So if you don't want to do that, this is what I would do for this. So it's going to equal 1,000 pizzas. That's the total number of pizzas they made in February. What we are looking for is the percent that were plain deep dish. So we're looking for plain and deep dish. So we're simply going to take 200 divided by 1,000, and you're going to get 0.20 or 20%. So 0.20 or 20%. So our answer for this is going to be choice 1. All right, so for number 11, yours is going to look a little different than mine, but the steps are going to be the same. So when solving negative 2 times 3x minus 5 is equal to 9 over 2x minus 2, we're going to not do this by hand. We're going to use the numeric solver. So in your calculator, whether you're using this calculator or another one, you're looking for math, and you want to go down to where it says numeric solver. Yours might be at 0, but just go to where it says numeric solver. Yours is going to look a little different than mine, but essentially you're going to plug in what you see on one side of the equation in this one, and then what you see on the second side of the equation here. So we're going to do negative 2 times our 3x minus 5, and hit enter. And that's going to bring us down to this box, and we're going to plug in what we have next, 9 over 2x minus 2. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. What you want is to make sure there's nothing in there, not even a 0, so we're going to hit clear. And on yours, you can hit alpha solve, so you can hit the green button and then hit enter, or if you're using this calculator, you're just going to go ahead and press the graph button, which is going to solve it. This right here is a number that you need to write down, so we're going to write that number down. So we're going to write that down, 1.14, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 2. Now, what we can do in this case is we can go back and we can plug this in. We can either start doing 8 divided by 7, 10 divided by 11, such and such, and see what we get for this answer, or we can plug this in and then do our math enter trick. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the long number, 1.142, 85714, 2857. And I think I'm going to do 1 because that's how I had it the first time, not 2, so it should be 1. We're going to go ahead and hit the math and then enter button, and you're going to get the answer of 8 over 7, which is going to be choice 1.